Borneo Safari is one of Southeast Asia's biggest extreme off-road event in Borneo. Last year, we took on an 8-day adventure that challenged our physical, mental and emotional well-being. Yet, we had the most unforgettable experience with the Isuzu D-Max X-Treme. So what lies for us this year? What's up guys? This place feels like deja vu because last year for the Extreme Borneo Challenge, I brought participants to come here for their training before Borneo Safari. But this year, Baki Zainal, I'm back as a participant of Borneo Safari because I heard something exciting. Isuzu is sending their 1.9 single cab, which is a manual transmission, into the Borneo Safari. It's never been done and I'm here to take that challenge. You know why? Because I'm good with sticks. So, training starts soon. Hey, hi. Hello. Hi, Baki.
Nice to meet you, Jacqueline.
Hey, Jacqueline.
I'm He Wei Sing.
Hi, I'm Wing. Hey, Wing.
Hey, thanks for meeting you.
Hey! Alhamdulillah. This is the Sifu of all Isuzu. Tahun ni 1.9 eh?
1.9
Single cab?
Ya, single cab. Dan kali ni kita nak tunjuk dekat semua yang single cab pun boleh buat apa yang double cab boleh buat. Ya, saya rasa kita boleh tunjuk ada satu secret. Without accelerator, the vehicle also can go on. Yang biasanya orang tak perasan pun ada dekat dalam kita punya manual transmission D-Max. Come, I show you our jantung inside our Isuzu D-Max 1.9. Even though that 1.9 is the smallest CC engine for diesel in our market in Malaysia, but our 1.9 occupied with 150 horsepower with 350 Nm torque plus flat torque from 2008 to 2006. Easy to drive, easy to maneuver inside off-road. Sama we are bringing it for Borneo Safari. Jadi dia memang proven should be okay. Orang kata cukup tu cukup. Dan untuk single cab yang macam ni, full safety feature, ABS, CBD, BA, TCS, ESC. Oh, you nak sebut apa lagi? Hill start assist, hill descent control. Even though it's only single cab 1.9. It's a really good vehicle. Later on when we go inside the track, oh, maybe you nak rasa masa Borneo Safari nanti, you akan dapat rasa.
Full tank dia kalau macam 3.0, full tank 800-900 km kan?
Ada lebih sikit dari 3 liter. Okey, jom masuk kelas. Saya nak hajar habis-habis pasal produk kita.
First thought, I don't know what is it yet, so I went to YouTube to search on some videos. Once I see the video, I talked to my partner. He told me, bro, this is the event we must go because this is like a once in a lifetime you must experience one.
从来没有去过这样的活动，是要进去森林里面，没有路，要长一个路出来。
I think that's the beauty of it because we don't know what to expect. I had experience with Isuzu pickup. 12 or 13 years ago, my dad used to own one, and he used the pickup to drive me to school and back to school. Quite excited to see what can we learn from this trip lah.
是咯，很期待。
I saw how mastery from Isuzu built confidence, with each driver asking, are you confident to drive the car? If you can do it, by all means, we're there to support you. They don't go like, oh, this one dangerous, I'm gonna come in. No.
验完全侧的功能可以去到多强大。基本上我会觉得说好像过不去了，给我一定会来放，然后给它 reverse 回来 direct， 还可以讲哦，你就完全来转到弯，然后就去一度压就过，肯定可以过到。我觉得我已经很靠近地面了，是身体是这样子的。他就讲可以去的，可以去的。他讲要相信车，放手过后真的是过得到的。
当那个教练他跟我讲下斜坡是放油的时候，哇，那个是颠覆了我的想象。Tak perlu buka ni ya?
Tak perlu. Dia hanya sendiri.
Ini tak?
Let it go.
Wah, dia pandai oh. Dia pandai macam ni oh. 因为以前我们平常驾车一下斜坡就是挡 brake 下嘛，但是 Isuzu D-Max 无论是 auto 还是手摇，两个我都有驾，都不用踩 brake。那个教练在试的时候，我就觉得啊，好像很容易，但是我自己驾起来偷偷，是很怕了，但是克服了那恐惧，其实是很简单的。
Then the second part is the part where London part like this, and the car is like doing this one. Also, coach just asked me to hold the steering, don't do anything. Then the car just steer itself out of the way. I felt impressed by that. I always thought four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive is the same thing. During that session, I understand, well, actually there's a difference.
我之前有开过 4 wheel，but 我不知道那个 2H， 然后 4L， 然后 4H 是什么东西，但我今天懂了，这样子的意思。
以前都没有学过这些，以前都是乱来。那经过这一次，它整个流程，哇，我才学到原来过程是这么不简单的嘞，不是随便这样拉一下就好，所以很重要。尤其是在森林里面，如果做得不好，其实也会很容易让人受伤。
Although I was very worried of my own safety when I was in the jungle, but we overcome that. So now it's another way of going back in, paying homage to Borneo. Now as a participant, I'm going in with a single cab manual 1.9, where I've never driven this car before. Four-wheel drives can be really powerful. You need to know what you're driving and how to control and use it. So I feel that this class, literally, if you're gonna get a four-wheel drive, come, sit for a day, understand the machine or the beast that you have. This year, it's a bit different that we are bringing in the 1.9 D-Max single cab. But I think one thing that I would take away, and I think that everybody should realize, that we're going against Mother Nature. Literally like today's whole session where in the morning was so hot, and yet this will constantly be the weather in Borneo.
For me, the biggest takeaway is to trust the car. Just let the car do the job. Press the button, let the car do the job. And every time it works.
The car is like really stable, and like I couldn't believe that I make it.
不用去踩油门，车子也不会熄火，然后还能够爬山。
We are the first, in fact, training provider in Malaysia, providing four-wheel drive off-road training with our very own permanent off-road track. I am inspired to create that awareness. So I started M4 Track, give people the opportunity, especially new pickup truck owners, four-wheel drive owners, learn how to properly operate them in a safe and responsible manner.
Watch the Extreme Borneo Challenge to win exclusive merchandise. Comment with your answer to this question and tag 3 friends for the chance to win. Get it on the action.
Our mission today is to find our car. Hey, ini dia.
Wah, besar ruangnya.
Borneo Safari, here we go! Yay!
Our first cross river.
This is more higher than the original one. Saya ada sedikit takut dah.
It's an unknown territory for me. Things can happen immediately and then I wouldn't know how to react to it.
Ini camp kita kan ni? Ah?
Saya rasa, ayo, kenapa saya datang sini? Sini tak ada apa-apa.